Hi, everyone. Thanks for watching. This is Nitish Mittal from Everest Group, and I'm joined by my colleague Chunky, who leads a lot of our life sciences and healthcare technology work. This is the second part of a continuing series on decentralized clinical trials in life sciences. As you might recall from the first video, we spoke about this inaugural assessment of this super interesting area of decentralized clinical trials, which, like a lot of other digital transformation technologies in the pandemic, has seen a significant uptick in adoption over the last 16 months. And we continue to see a lot of movement and momentum in this space. In the first video, we spoke about why we did this assessment, which vendors and partners we covered in this, and what are the kind of segments that are emerging. So if there's more interest on that, feel free to check that out. Today, we want to delve a little bit deeper into insights on buyer adoption on DCT. We spoke to a lot of sponsors, which include large life sciences companies, CRO companies, as well as academic research organizations running DCTs or trying to run DCTs at scale as a part of their clinical trial efforts. So we'll talk about what we discovered in terms of actual adoption going beyond the hype. So Chunky, when we did all of this and spoke to leading practitioners in the space, were there a few things that really jumped out to you in terms of their DCT journey?
There was. So I think one of the main findings was how they were adopting DCT platforms or technologies. And there are broadly two models that we've seen. So one is from some of the DCT native technology vendors who are offering an end-to-end platform for conducting DCTs. But there are a lot of others who are offering best of breed solutions. So what that means is they might be doing ECOAs or they might be doing remote patient monitoring, but they're not doing the entire suite of DCT products or a platform. So what we found out was when we asked enterprises that how are you currently adopting DCT? A large proportion of them, around 63% of them, said that they're adopting best of breed solutions, and only 37 said that they're adopting end-to-end platforms. Then we dug a little deeper into this. We tried to see which type of sponsors are adopting best of breed approach versus which are adopting an end-to-end approach. So what we found was when it comes to best of breed solutions, it's mostly the mid-sized and small pharma that are looking to adopt the best of breed solutions. Whereas if you look at large pharma, their preference is to adopt end-to-end platforms. And that is really the key insight that was coming out from this assessment.
Perfect. This is really interesting. And, this is just the tip of the iceberg, if you will. If you're interested in more such insights or learning and talking to our SMEs about this landscape, please check out the full analysis in the link, as well as feel free to reach out to us. We are more than happy to have a conversation. So Chunky, thanks for joining us today, and thanks for watching.